timing. You didn't hear me, but you really helped me out there. Hopefully I'm live now. It's funny because I saw myself with a picture from yesterday, of course. So anyway, what we started with, I was chatting, and it's always a good review anyway. We started out by working with the, oh, did I do that wrong? Why did I do that? No, it's copying them. Okay, so we started out with the vanilla behavior pack.zip, and we unzipped that, and now we are, okay, cool. But now we are downloading the actual, or copying and pasting the behavior pack here. So we unzipped this behavior pack folder, and here it is in my behavior packs folder in documents. I'm gonna move it later, but we're gonna mess around with it first for a little bit. Okay, hello, dinner beef. So now, I am going to, this is the behavior pack folder that we're going to mess around with. Okay, so in the behavior pack folder, there are a few things we have to do. One is somewhat complicated seeming, so I'm going to show you that first, okay? So with that one, I am going to go to a UUID generator. So a UUID is a unique, oh, that's not it, UUID generator. There we go. So a UUID generator is a unique identifier, okay? So whenever you have a behavior pack in Minecraft, the UUID has to be unique or it's gonna confuse things. So I have this opportunity here to get a number of UUIDs generated. They're random numbers, but check them out. This is what a UUID looks like, okay? Pretty long number, right? You wouldn't wanna have to make these up on your own. So I'm gonna copy, I did 3 for a reason, you'll see why in a second. And now let's see, I'm gonna go to, let's see if I can get this back as part of the screen, yep. And buy a generator. Yeah, I should have bought a generator, but I don't know if it would have done the same thing. Anyway, so now I'm gonna go into my folder again with my behavior packs and stuff. And I'm gonna open up this manifest.json, and I'm gonna use something called Visual Studio Code. It's just a nice editor for what we're doing, okay? So here it is. Now this is what's called the manifest. This is the document that it looks to first in the behavior pack. So you might wanna write down that you have to edit the manifest, okay? Now this one looks super confusing, right? But what I really wanna change first of all is this UUID. So I'm gonna paste in the one I just generated, right? Then where did I put my other ones? Here's the second one. Okay, let's see, I'm gonna paste that one here. And I'm not convinced that I need these dependencies, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, and then I'm gonna use that third one. So I'm really just replacing these so that this behavior pack clearly has a different UUID than any other behavior packs that I'm working with, okay? And there's that. That's one part of it. Now, I might as well change what the name of this is, and we'll call this period 4 behavior pack. We could be more creative, but if you have a game name, maybe you would use that. Then we'll do, we'll call this also period 4 behaviors, just so we see a different name in that one. And then I'll also change the description of this module, period 4 behavior pack. And that's what I need for now. Okay, so that's my manifest. This will be a video in Twitch, so you can go back to it. But basically, I just changed my manifest document so that we can do this. So I'm gonna close this here in Visual Studio Code. When I close it, it's gonna say, do I wanna save it? Absolutely. Okay, now, I'm gonna open some other stuff for a second. I'm gonna go back, we're still in my period 4 behavior pack folder. I'm gonna open some entities, okay? So this is, if Cleverlike happens to be watching, this is one that I learned from him that I rather like, and you will too. What's up? Sure. So I'm gonna edit the chicken.json file, and we're gonna open it with Visual Studio Code. Now, there's a lot of things we're gonna play around with here, but this is all the code for the chicken, okay? That's a lot. Now I can either change existing code, or when you get a little more advanced with this, let's say there's a code that one entity has that another one doesn't, you could actually copy and paste the actual code for a behavior that doesn't even exist in here and add it, as long as you do it right. And then maybe you'll make something like, maybe you can make it so you could ride a turtle, which maybe doesn't have rideable as a thing right now. But we're gonna just, for starters, check out rideable for chicken. Now, who knows what can ride a chicken? A zombie, right? Well, I would like to ride a chicken. Would you like to ride a chicken? I'm gonna change this to player, okay? That's the only one I'm changing right now, just so we can play around with this and see it work first. So I want to change chicken.json. Okay, so all I've done so far is I created a whole behavior pack so I could, right now, change it so I could ride a chicken. Okay, you'll be able to do a lot more stuff. But now, here's what we have to do. Let me get this going here. Riding turtles are fun. Yes, we should figure that out next. Now, you got that to work in Java, Dinner Beef, right? But did you get it to work with a behavior pack in Windows 10? Let's see now. Now I got to go here again. Okay, so here's my period for behaviors. Now this is one of the other little tricky parts. Okay, I have to zip this back up. Okay, so I right-click. You might want to put this in your notes. Send to compressed zip folder. Okay, it's zipping it all back. Yeah, so we'll try the riding turtle later maybe. So now, here it is. Now, here's another interesting thing. It's a .zip. What? It's a .zip file, but Minecraft won't understand that as a behavior pack. So I'm gonna go, instead of .zip, I'm gonna go .mcpack. Okay? Now it's gonna say, ooh, this might become unusable. Well, I know better than that. Now look, see how it grabbed the Minecraft icon there? That probably means I spelt mcpack right, at least. I Wear the Crowns is here. So who had Mrs. Chow Isaacs at Cedar Hill? Do you know Alex M? I shouldn't give last names, but Alex is here, Ayla is here, Dylan is here. Who else had Mrs. Chow Isaacs? Nobody else? All right, well, we got Cedar Hill represented. So now, here we go. So I am going to now open this behavior pack in, I think I'm doing this right. Let's see, I'm going to double click it, and it's opening. Hopefully, yes, I'm in the right version. Hopefully it says imported successfully, thank goodness. So here we go. So we have this behavior pack now. Watch this. Go to play. I'm going to create a new world, a whole new world. And we're going to make it, for now, creative is fine. And we are going to create this world. What? Behavior pack. Thank you, Ayla. I have to add it. So I have all these behavior packs in here that are available to me now in Windows 10. Here's the one, right? If all goes well, if this works, that'll be great. If it doesn't, I'll be embarrassed for all our fans on the internet. We have 6 people watching, which is exciting. Who else is watching? We got Obi-Wan, we got Dinner Beef, we got I Wear the Crowns, we have you. Yeah. We have Alex watching. That's okay. Now, let's go to create the game now. Now, I Wear the Crowns. Did you know that only a zombie can ride a chicken? Do you think she knew that? Yeah. She might have. Let's see. So now, let's see. So apparently only a zombie can ride a chicken, right? And she says she did not know that. Well, watch this. I Wear the Crowns. We're gonna... What?
I said I expected more.
Of her? Oh, man, Bryce, of all people, expected more of you, he said. You know who Mrs. Chow Isaacs is, right, Bryce?
No.
What? No? No idea? Bryce has no idea. It's not. He's not so good with context clues. Oh, it is a baby zombie, but it says zombie in the thing. You kind of know Bryce. Bryce, what did your nickname used to be?
Huh?
What did your nickname used to be?
Well, I had like a song.
BB or something like that?
Yeah, I got that one.
Yeah, BB. Ah, she even said, I know Bryce as BB. Okay, ready? Watch this, people. Although that might be... Oh. Look, ready? Look at me, everybody. Whee! Come on, aren't you excited? What? Well, yes, but I do want to show you a few more things first. I am not a zombie, I Wear the Crowns. I changed it in my behavior pack, thanks to Cleverlike, who has taught me this, and I'm finally starting to get it. So look, I'm riding a chicken. Look, Ma, no hands. I made the behavior pack. So here you go. So you download the vanilla behavior pack from the add-ons website on Minecraft. You could search for vanilla behavior pack. Then you open it up, and then you kind of make a bunch of changes. If you watch the beginning of the video, you'll get it. So now we're gonna go out of here. Now this is where it gets a little tricky to me. I'm gonna quit for a moment from there. We're gonna go back and hope for the best here. I believe that if I go to my, this is where I get a little confused. If I go to com.mojang and I go to, I think if I go to the world that we just created, and I go in here, which obviously that's the name of the world, right? And I go to behavior packs, there's my behavior pack in the world. So rather than continually doing what I just did before, hopefully this will work. So now, entities. So now, why don't we do this? Ready? Let's make a, let's see, what should we change? How about let's see what we can change with a bat. Let's see if we can change this. Oh, so I did it there, which is fine, but I want to open it in Visual Studio Code. I think it'll be easier to work with. Visual Studio Code. Now, does a bat have a size associated? Let's see, scale, no results. Okay, so scale would be the size of it. This doesn't have it. So let's see what we might want to change, or if we want to do this for a different one first. Because, oh, how about this? Minecraft movement. I'm guessing that's the speed that it moves, okay? So let's try value 5.0 for a bat instead of 0.1. Let's see what happens, okay? So we're gonna just try this. We'll see if it works. Let's see if speed is a separate thing though than movement. No, so it must be movement. And movement, sometimes there's more than one because this is movement basic, and then the one I did was just movement. So let's close this out and test it again. So I save this. Now, if I'm doing this, if this is right, because I had closed out of my world, I think it will reload the behavior pack here. And we will, let's see here. Y'all excited to see hopefully a bat flying really fast? Bat. If it works, I'll be so excited. Now, here we go, bat. Now, ready? Whoops. I think it's working. Look how fast they're flying. Do you see them? No, you don't, because they're flying so fast. See that? You see them, kinda? See them in the distance? Here, I'll spawn a lot of them. It's like The Birds, Alfred Hitchcock. Anybody doing a game on Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds? This would be it.
Oh yeah, I know that movie.
Yeah? So, but they're going so fast. So we could change that, of course, to being a little less fast. That's like the bat in our house. Funny story, people. We had a couple of bats in our house, and I had to catch one of them and set it free outside.
Mr. O's told me a few years ago when Bird got into this.
Oh, yeah? All right, so now let's play around some more. How about this? Ready? We're going to each time, remember, do the save and quit. Good idea, right? Go back into the, make sure we're in the right behavior pack. Now, watch this. This is always a popular one. Oh, no, here's one. I'm going to do this just because Clever Like always does Clever Like always does a rabbit large. We're going to do a cat. We're going to open with Visual Studio Code. We're going to look for scale. Okay? Scale of a cat is 0.8. Should we make it 3.0? Sure, right? And we got to also see, that's the cat adult. We could, so a cat baby, if it comes out as a baby first, it won't be that size at first. But let's see if we can change. There's the baby. Why don't we make the baby 1.0 so it'll be bigger, but then, so ready? So I'm going to close this again. I'm going to save this. Then what am I going to do? Launch my world again. And here we go. We're going to test it. What do I need now? A cat? All right. Who's ready?
I'm ready. I am.
Aiden's ready.
I'm ready.
Oh, wait, I got to get out of that view, though. All right, ready? Cat?
Wow.
Now,
That's a massive cat.
that is a massive cat.
That is a juicy
Okay? Our Attack of the Killer Cats. Okay? Get it? Now watch this. Let's see if this works. Slash. Oh yeah, I was gonna do that actually. Slash summon cat from 20 above us. Ah! A big cat fell on my head.
Oh.
Okay? So you get the idea? There's a lot we could do here. I want to show you one. Do you want to see one more cool thing, or do you want to hold off till tomorrow on
I
that?
want to see one more cool thing.
You do?
I do.
Aiden wants to see one more cool thing. That's what I like to hear, Aiden. All right, so now we're going to save and quit again. Now this one I'm taking a little chance at because every time I do this, something goes a little bit wrong. But we're going to try because that's how we are. We try things and then we troubleshoot if they don't work. So now here's what I'm going to do. Ready? I'm going to create a new text document. Now, I'm going to make it give the player, let's play, say, diamond armor. Oh, no, that wouldn't work. Diamond sword, give at P, diamond leggings, give at P, diamond, what else? Helmet, give at P, diamond boots. We're hooking this guy up, right? Or this gal up. And what else? What am I missing? Chest plate, give at P, diamond chest plate. So let's say in your game, you want to have different factions or types of like character classes. Let's say one of them is a warrior or something, and the warrior gets a sword and diamond armor. I could have something where I press the button and it gives me my whole loadout, right? So I'm going to save this as, we'll call this, makes sense maybe, diamond dot MC function. This is going to be a function. This is a little weird. Now I got to make this an all files thing, I think. Diamond.mc function, and I don't actually want to put it in this behavior pack 6. I want to put it in, let's see that we're in the right. So our new world is this one. Behavior packs, behavior period 4. Now I'm going to make a folder in here called functions. Now in here I'm going to put this function. Now, oh, not there. In here I'm going to put that function. Now I want you to understand something. What is unique about this? If I did this all, what do you know about command blocks usually? How many commands can each command block issue? 1. How many commands do I have here? 5. Wouldn't it be cool if I could do one thing that makes all these things, issues all these commands at one time? That would be cool, we agree, right? We agree. I'm glad we agree. So now we're going to try this, and we're going to hope it works. Ready? So now, here's how this would work in the game. Oh, please work. Please work. So I do /function space. Oh, see, this is so sad. If it was working, did I quit out of the game and come back in, or was I still in it? Let's try to go out to make sure. Save and quit. Was I still in it? I sure hope so. Because the thing is, it should show me what my function is, but let's see. All right, we're going in. Maybe we weren't in before. /function. Oh, man, diamond should be it, but somehow it's not finding that function. So we have to figure that out, but it should be, there's something about that gets a little weird. Let's try here's our world. Here's our behavior pack. Here's our behavior. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, here's our functions, and there's diamond.mc function. All right, so you guys keep working now. I'm going to play around with this until I figure out why this continually wants to not work, because sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Right now it's not, but everything else is cool. So start work. Let's see, functions are easier in Java. You can just do reload. Let me try that. Wait, hold on 1 second. /reload. Ooh, let's see. Restart. Ooh, maybe you're right. Oh, that would be so great, Beef. Let's see. So it says reload it, though. Yes, sir? I'll help you with that in a second. I know what's going on. Oh, I hope you were right, because that might be what I was doing wrong before. Restart the whole game, or just, Oh, I see. Wait a minute. Let's see. Restart. Is that what you're saying? Restart the whole game?
Mr. Isaac, can you help me now?
Not right now, because I'm still trying to do this, but I'll help you in a minute.
Alright.
Let's see. If restart. Is that what you meant? That I have to actually restart the whole game? Let's see. My world. Let's see. I think it said. Okay, let's see. Slash function. Oh, look at this, folks. So as long as I restart the whole game, see how it came up with diamond? Watch this, everybody. Ready? Function diamond. Thank you, Beef. Dinner Beef. It's so great having you here. Now I have all that diamond stuff, right? Now watch what I could also do. I could slash give myself a command block. I was struggling with this for like an hour before, so this is great. So boom, boom. What if I do this? Watch this. Function diamond. This should work. Now if I do a pressure plate, okay. Now, watch, ready? See, look, no diamond. See it? And diamond. Do you see that, everybody? You can say ooh and ah and yay. Ooh, ah, yay.
I feel like I gotta move over there, because this one, like, when they try to join, it doesn't let them.
I can help you with that. So now I'm going to help everybody with the other stuff, and I wear the crown and said ooh, ah, yay. Now, think about the other possibilities with all of the commands you could put in here. I hope this starts to let you know what's possible with add-ons and functions. And I'm going to stop the stream there. Because, let's see what Dinner Beef's saying now. Wait. You have to restart the game. Yeah, so that was it. So I do reload and then restart the game? Seems weird. It seems like Dinner Beef is... Dinner Beef used to work for... player Minecraft, but used to work with... was it Creeper Host or no? Or still works with our buddies at, yes, Feed the Beast. Dinner Beef. Now, yes, okay. So, thank you, Dinner Beef. And anyway, I'm going to end the, I help make the egg maps. We love the egg maps. In fact, I got to bring that back into my game club sometime soon. So anyway, thanks everybody for watching. I think I'll put this one on YouTube because we covered a lot here. So, excellent. You're funny. Okay, talk to you soon. Thanks.